The Hero. This poem is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Now, Rabindranath Tagore, as we know, is a very famous poet, right? Why do we know he's famous? Because he won Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913. He was the first Asian to win this prize, right? He was born in Calcutta and was interested in literature and culture. He had started writing poetries at the age of 8. He won this Nobel Prize for his work Gitanjali. Okay. And he also formed a Vishwabharati University at Shantiniketan. Right? Actually, he's founded a school called Patha Bhavan in 1901 that he extended into Shantiniketan school. So, this is all about Rabindranath Tagore. Now, in this poem is about a child's imagination. A child gets bored of his daily dull routine life and he is sitting with his mother and speaking to her. Now, we know that the child spends more time with the mother at home. It is the trend now, it had been the trend earlier also. So in this particular poem, we see a conversation between the child and the mother. But basically you will see it is not a conversation. You will find that all the dialogues has been said only by the boy. So when one person speaks continuously, we call it monologue. Right? Dialogue means two people. Here we see it's a monologue. That means mono means one. So continuously the whole poem is about one child speaking, and he creates a situation in the poem which is not really existing. So it's a dramatic situation that he explains to his mother, and at the end he says he regrets that this was only an imagination and not reality. Right? He's got bored of this dull, boring routine life. He says his mother, had it been so good now if this comes true? Right? So from these lines we come to know that it was only his imagination. A child can share everything with his mother. So here in this poem, the child speaks to his mother about his imagination. Right?